Hi, this is Shrita. Welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add animation effects in your WordPress website with the help of Elementor. It's just for free. You don't need to install an extra plugin. Elementor can do that. It's so simple and according to your choice. So what you have to do, go on that page where you want to add the animation, go to the pages, or you can also visit your website by clicking on visits. Okay, so I want to add an animation in about us page. So I first view this page, how it's look like. So okay, so this is my page and I want to add an animation in these pages. Okay, in this page and in this columns in this area. So I want to do the animation. So how can I do that? So you will see here edit with Elementor. So just click here, edit with Elementor. Okay, and you will go on the Elementor editor. Okay, once you come here, you just need to select an area, for example, like this one. Okay, as you select here, on your left side, you will see some. Okay, once you come and you have to select an area, select an section, and once you select, go in advanced, scroll down, and you will see a motion effect over here. So what motion effect you want to add here? Okay, I want to add here fade in down, and it will like that. And if you want to do with all, okay, so just go here. I want to add some animation over here. Same procedure with everyone. Go in advanced, scroll little down, see your motion effects over here and select from here like fade in shade, and it will come like that. Okay, same do with every section where you want to add. Go in advanced, little down, go in advanced, little down, motion effect, and select your effect from here like zooming. So I want to like zoom in and it will show like that. Okay, now I want to add some animation and picture. So go in advanced, select the picture. Okay, and from select here what you want to do the animation. For example, I want like this one, and same, select the previous page, go in advance. This is so simple, you have to do nothing. Okay, okay, so just save it, update it, and have a preview like looks like it's work or not. So okay, so let's see. Okay, as I scroll down you can see our animation is working. Okay, so I'm gonna show you again. As I scroll down, it's walk like that. It's amazing. Okay, so if you want to do any animation with this, so same procedure, go in advance, go in a motion effect, select your effect. Okay, okay, go in advance, scroll down, motion effect, and select your like that. Okay. Looks like it's so easy. If you don't know how to I add this kind of page, watch my video, check from the channel, also get the link from the description so you will find out. Okay, let's update it and have a look. Let's see. Okay, it's pretty good. Okay, our animation is working, so it's too good. You don't need to download any extra plugin for this. So this is how it's work. If you have any query and question, ask me in comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Take care.